Hello, friends. We're going to be doing math. This time it is Module 2, Lesson 1, so 2.01. We're going to start talking about comparing numbers, seeing how they are to each other. More and less and equal are words you're going to hear when we do this unit. Some of you have already told me, Mrs. Phelps, did you know 1 plus 1 equals 2? Well, yes, I did. But that word equal, sometimes when we write it, it looks like that. We're not going to worry about that right now. But this symbol here means equal, which is the same as. So going back to 1 plus 1 equals 2, if I have one strawberry scented pen and one pink highlighter, how many objects do I have? 2. So these two things, these 1 and 1, is the same as having, it's saying 2. It's equal. It's the same. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share our little screen to show you the lesson. We're going to work our way through. Equal is the same as. Splish, splash, Sammy loves to swim, and she was taking a bath. She swims with fish and seahorses and all kinds of underwater creatures. Have you ever seen an underwater creature swimming around? Or maybe you're at like the tide pool and you see the sea anemones going like that. So we're going to be working on equal to, meaning the same as, and matching sets, making sure we put 1 to 1. Kind of like going with that 1 to 1 when we're pointing and counting. All righty, we're going to keep going. Sammy swims and counts. So even going scuba diving can be a math lesson. Sammy goes to many of these underwater adventures. I'm going to make that full screen. And she counts the different creatures. Today, she wants to find the same number of fish and octopuses. Octopi? This says octopuses. Octopuses. She found 4 fish and 4 octopus. So she knows that's the same amount. If you look at my little tiny screen in the corner, is 4 and 4 the same? Yes, these are the same numbers. So we have 1, do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 octopus. Let's count the fish. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. So they are the same. We're going to help Sammy, find equal amounts of other sea creatures. She's still swimming, and she must be in like the craziest cool part of the ocean because she found 1 shark and 1 whale. Are those equal? Is that the same number of sharks as it is to the same number of whales? Let's find out. Actually, we're not going to find out because it says right there, 1 and 1 are equal. New example. Let's count these seahorses and turtles. So we're going to count the seahorses first. Do it with me. Point your fingers up. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3. Show me 3 fingers. 3 fingers. And let's count our sea turtles. I'm going to put my fingers up as I count them. This is a good way to help you practice your counting because you can see it while you're listening to it and while you're saying it. So count the sea turtles with me. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3. Are 3 seahorses and 3 sea turtles, are those the same numbers? Yes, 3 turtles and 3 seahorses, they both have the same number of creatures. All right, we're going to count some jellyfish and some fish. So we're going to see if these are the same number in each group. Remember in our last lesson, we counted those groups of butterflies. We're just seeing if these groups have the same number. Get your pointer finger up. We're going to count our jellyfish. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Show me 5 fingers. 5 jellyfish. Let's count our regular fish. Clownfish, I think, perchance, but I'm not a fish expert. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope you're counting with me. So 5 jellyfish and 5 regular fish. Are those groups the same size? Is it the same number of creatures? Yes, they are equal. They are the same. Now we're going to count whales and turtles. Let's count the whales first. You're pointing with me. I want to hear you say it. And if you can, put the numbers on your fingers as you count. It's a little tricky, but if you can. 1, 2, 3. How many whales are there, friends? 3 whales. Let's count our sea turtles. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if there are 3 whales and 4 turtles, are they the same number in the sets? Is that the same amount of whales and turtles? No, they're different amounts because 4 is bigger than 3. and 3 is smaller than 4. They are not equal, friends. All right, we're going to count these whales and these turtles again. We had one more whale swim up to this big sea creature party that Sam has in the ocean. So let's count these whales. Ready, pointing, doing it with me. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whales. Let's count the sea turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 whales and 4 sea turtles. Do they have the same number? Yes, they are equal groups. All righty, let's go to the next page. Underwater matchup. I almost said underwear. Underwater matchup. You help Sammy find those sea creatures and make them equal. And we are going to go ahead and find another way to help us see if they are equal sets. So looking at these sea creatures, these octopuses and dolphins, is there an equal number of octopus to dolphins? Oh, let's see a trick we can do. We've matched them up. We drew a line to match the set of octopus and the set of dolphins. We're going to keep going. And then we look, did all the octopus match to a dolphin? Yes, that's how we know it's equal. That's one way we know it's equal. Okay, so more sea creatures come swimming along in this big underwater party. The fish and the starfish are very different to look at, but the amount in each group might be the same. Let's match them up and see if they're equal. So if my mouse would draw a line, I would draw a line, and then I go down and I draw a line, and then I go down and I draw a line, and I match them all up. So it would look like this. Do we have the same number of fish as starfish? Did they each pair to one? Yes, they are equal. What's that word? They are equal. Wait, I can't hear you. What is it? What? Equal means the same amount, the same number, the same. Okay, pretend we're going to draw our line. So I'm going to match up this whale to a turtle. Okay, next one. Next one. And last one. Did we have the same number of whales and turtles? Did we have any we didn't match up? Let's look at the picture and see. Yeah, there is an equal number of whales to sea turtles. The turtles are equal to the whales in this example. Okay, so now we're going to match, and you're going to have to help me with this. I want to put the numbers together. I want to have the equal number of sea creatures in each of these boxes. So we're going to count these fish here. See my mouse? We're going to count them. Magic pointer finger up. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 fish. So we got to find the one down here that has 5. Do you see it? If you see it, point to it. Does this have 5? 1, 2, 3. No. Does this have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Process of elimination. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sea turtles. Let's put the fish with the sea turtles. Ba-doo! All right, let's count our starfish. Count it with me. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3. 3 starfish. Where should I put it? Should I put it with the 4 octopus or the 3 whales? Which one? Oh, the whales. Okay. And then let's count our seahorses. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seahorses. Does that go with any of these? Can I put it in with my 3 whales? Well, it'll let me. But is that correct, friends? Are those equal? If I put, well, it won't let me take that out. Okay. So are these 2 equal? No, I can see that this is bigger than that one. So I'm going to put it with the, oh, goodness. I have to redo the whole thing. Oh, you guys. Okay, let's see if we're correct. There we go. They're all equal. Okay, try it. So this is an activity. It's in your work packet. This is your worksheet that you would be doing. Equal is equal. Directions. Count the amount of sea creatures in each box and circle the right answer. So these are the answers. Is equal to, is not equal to. So you count the ones in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That has 5. And then we count in the next box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are those the same numbers? No, they're not equal. So we would circle is not equal to. Now on this next one, let's count the killer whales. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll count the octopus. 1. Are those equal? Are those the same numbers? No, it is not equal to. So we would circle the not. I'm not going to give you all the answers. Now, we're going to keep moving on this, but I think I'm going to flip right back to that packet. Yep. So we have a self-check review, but I want to go back to the worksheets and show you some pages I added in. I think I just added, yeah, I just added the one. So this is from a different curriculum, but I wanted to have a little extra practice for you. The directions are, you are going to make the dots equal on both sides. And this is the number you're aiming for. So 4. It wants the dots to be equal on both sides. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. I have to draw some more to make it to 4. So I'm going to draw 1, 2. I'm going to draw 3 and 4. Pretend I was drawing. Now this one tells me 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to make this one into 6. A trick I do in class is I have you start by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and you keep counting and drawing this time. You draw a circle and you say 5, you draw another circle and then you say 6, and that way it'll help you keep on track. All right, and we're going to go do our self-check review when we're done with this lesson, friends. Are these two groups equal? So we're going to count the shells at the top. Point and count. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count the starfish. Point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 3 equal to 4? Are those the same number? No, they're not. So I'm going to click NO, no, and submit. Correct. All right, our next one. Are these two groups equal? Let's count the dolphins. 1, 2. 2 dolphins. Let's count these shells. 1, 2, 3. Is 2 the same as 3? Are they equal? No. 3 is bigger than 2. 2 is smaller than 3. Another way we can say it. 3 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 3. Point being, no, those are not equal. And that's right. Of course it's right. Click to the next one, please. All right. Are these two groups equal? Let's count our clownfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. 5 clownfish. Let's count our turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are those the same number? 5 clownfish and 5 turtles. Are those equal? 5 and 5? Yes, they are equal. They are the same number. Even though they're different animals, that's still the same amount. The set is the same number. All right. Keeps telling us our brain's growing. Are these groups equal? Let's count our seahorses. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seahorses. And let's count our octopuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 4 the same as 5? Are those equal, friends? Yes? Hold on a second. 5 and 4. Hold on. Look at my thumb. Actually, maybe I can do it this way. Nope, I'll do it this way. Do I have all the same? No, that's just confusing. Okay, they're not equal. I take back that last thing I tried to do. Just like I'm in the classroom, I'm not redoing my video. All right, are these groups equal? Jellyfish and sea snails. Let's count our jellyfish. 1, 2, 3 jellyfish. That is the only creature that I cannot stand. All right, let's count our snails. 1, 2, 3. Are 3 jellyfish the same number as 3 snails? Are these the same? Choo, 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 choo. I can match my set. Yes, they are. Submit. Awesome, we got them all right. And then it's just giving you a wrap up, telling you to take the quiz. We don't take quizzes. So my friends, you are doing this worksheet and this worksheet. I'm going to stop my share. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you guys and I miss you guys. I'll see you later. And